Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You've got your assets, now start editing. Open Capcut, tap the plus button and pick New Project so your media loads into the timeline. Import the main video first, then add the picture. This preserves layer order and makes positioning easier. Next, set your canvas ratio, choose 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for Reels, because this determines how the picture will scale and where it sits on screen. Once done, drag the picture onto the timeline above the video to begin placement. With the picture on the overlay track, position it at the exact time you want by dragging and trimming its clip. This controls how long it stays visible. Tap the picture to open edit settings where you can resize, rotate, or crop. Use pin to lock to a face or object. For movement, add keyframes or choose built-in animations. Keyframes give precise motion while animations are faster. If you need blending, switch to overlay and pick a blend mode so the picture sits naturally against your foot. Finish by polishing. Apply masks to remove hard edges, add a subtle shadow or border so the picture reads as part of the scene, and confirm color matches using filters or adjust. Once you preview the full timeline, make sure timing and keyframe easing are smooth. If the picture jitters, ease keyframes or increase frame overlap. Finally, export with the same resolution and frame rate as the source. If playback shows glitches, re-export at a slightly lower bitrate or clear cache and try again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.